Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we'll delve into one of the key concepts in the world of finance and business assets. Let's explore what assets are, how they are classified, and why they play a crucial role in the economy. To begin, what are assets? In broad terms, an asset is anything that generates income or has value. This can include cash, real estate, investments, and other valuable possessions. Assets are categorized into several types. The primary distinctions are between current and long-term assets. Current assets, like cash and inventory, are resources that can be quickly converted into cash. Long-term assets, such as real estate and investments, have a more extended service life. Why are assets so important for businesses? They form the foundation of financial stability. The more assets a company has, the more opportunities for growth, investment, and sustaining day-to-day operations. Managing assets is a crucial part of any company's strategy. How can one optimize the use of assets to maximize profits and minimize risks? Investing in assets is an excellent way to increase capital. What investment tools are available, and how do you choose the ones that align with your goals? There's a balance between the risk and return of assets. What factors influence this relationship, and how can one find the optimal balance for their portfolio? And there you have it, our exploration into the world of assets. They form the basis of the financial structure, whether for an individual or a corporation. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your questions in the comments.